Satyam International Institute of Hotel Management and Aviation. Admission open. Link in description.
It's a great pleasure and proud privilege for me to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister to this function, wherein MOUs are going to be exchanged, foundation stones of important projects to be laid, and important projects are to be inaugurated. I also extend my warm welcome and greetings to the Honorable Minister of Industries, Thiru Thangam Thennarasu, Chief Operating Officer of TCS, Mr. Ganapathy Subramaniam, Chairman of CII Southern Region, Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, Asocham Tamil Nadu Head, Mr. Carl Alexander Seidel, Consulate Generals and Diplomats, Captains of the Industry and Trade Associations, distinguished guests on the dais, friends from the media, and all other invitees to this grand function. As you are aware, Tamil Nadu government had the Herculean task of controlling the pandemic spread, which had caused immense strain to one and all. Right from day one, the government has been focusing on the welfare of the people and ensuring right medical solutions are in place at the right time. Under the able guidance of our dynamic and ebullient Honorable Chief Minister, we have now controlled the second wave of the pandemic successfully. With an unprecedented demand for medical oxygen all over India, Tamil Nadu took the lead and announced a very attractive incentive package to encourage oxygen production in the state. The government announced various incentives like capital subsidy, 10% stamp duty exemption, electricity tax exemption, land allotment on priority basis in industrial parks of SIDCO and SIPCOT, loans with nominal interest, free single window clearances, etc. As a result of all these initiatives, many companies have now come forward to establish their medical oxygen manufacturing units in our state, thereby enhancing oxygen supply in a great measure. Apart from this, we have taken several steps to procure more oxygen from other states and ensured uninterrupted supply. As on date, 5,752 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen has been moved by road and rail from Roorkela, Kalinganagar and Dolvi. The state government believes in being proactive and being an enabler. The focus of our government is on attracting investments and creation of jobs. We also envisage to improve the experience of investors and attract more investments. As a part of this exercise, we have taken up the exercise of reduction of compliance burden for businesses as well as citizens. The aim of this exercise is to examine all acts and regulations with the objective of rationalizing, reducing, and simplifying the compliance burden and compliance costs for businesses and citizens. Notwithstanding these difficult and uncertain times, Tamil Nadu has emerged as a top-notch winner in attracting substantial investments into the state. This bears ample testimony to the favorable investment climate currently prevailing in our state. Tamil Nadu is now obviously the most preferred investment destination in the country. This event illustrates that under the able stewardship of our Honorable Chief Minister, Tamil Nadu will scale new heights of industrial development. Once again, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to our Honorable Chief Minister. I welcome the Honorable Minister, leaders of the Indian industry, officers of the state government, diplomats from various missions, trade associations, media, and other invitees to this function. I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
நம்ம நியூஸ் 7 தமிழ் பிரைம் யூடியூபை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பண்ணாதவங்க உடனடியா போய் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம கீழ இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.